everyone, I'm Mr. Broke Bradley. Let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. You know that one person in your life who never seems to be broke? They never panic at the end of the month. Their account never hits zero. They always seem weirdly fine. And you are standing there thinking, how? How? We earn the same amount. Well, today, FinWise Edge is going to answer that exact question, because the difference between people who are always broke and people who are never broke is not income, it is habits. And habits, unlike income, are completely free to change starting today. So, let us go through all 5 habits and be honest with yourself about which ones you are actually doing. Comment below how many of these you already do. 1, 2, 3, 4, or all 5. Habit number 1, and this one is gonna sting a little. People who are never broke know exactly where every single dollar goes. Not roughly, not approximately, not I think I spent it on food or something. They know their rent is $750, their groceries are $210, their transport is $80. They could tell you their exact monthly expenses in their sleep. Meanwhile, Bradley over here has absolutely no idea where his money went. He thinks he spent it on food and bills and maybe something else. He's not sure. Sound familiar? Drop a comment saying, "I'm Bradley," if you have absolutely no idea where your money went this month. The fix is embarrassingly simple. Write down every single thing you spend money on for just 1 week. Every coffee, every bus ride, every random thing you bought because it was on sale and you needed it. Just 1 week of tracking will genuinely shock you, because most people discover they're spending money on things they don't even enjoy. Not things that make them happy, not things they need, just things that happen to be there and their wallet said yes. Knowledge is the first weapon against broke, and writing it down is how you load that weapon. Habit number 2, people who are never broke save their money before they spend it, not after. This is the single biggest difference between people who build wealth and people who wonder where their money went. Most people think saving is what you do with whatever's left at the end of the month. But here's the secret. There's never anything left at the end of the month. The month expands to eat whatever money you give it, like a very hungry and completely unapologetic monster. The solution is to pay yourself first the moment your paycheck hits, before the month monster gets even $1. 10%, even 5%. The habit of doing it matters more than the amount. Set it up automatically so you never have to think about it. Your future self will literally send you a thank you note. Habit number 3, people who are never broke have an emergency fund and they protect it like it's their firstborn. An emergency fund is simply money you don't touch unless something genuinely terrible happens. Car broke down, emergency fund. Unexpected medical bill, emergency fund. Lost your job temporarily, emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, every single unexpected thing in life becomes a full-blown financial catastrophe. Bradley learned this the hard way when his washing machine broke and he had to wear his good suit to do laundry at the laundromat. True story. Well, not really, but you get the point. Your emergency fund target is 1 month of your total expenses, sitting in a separate account, completely untouched. Start with $500 as your first milestone. That alone puts you ahead of almost half of all people. Save $5 a day and you'll have $500 in 100 days. 100 days from now, you could have a financial safety net, or you could still be one flat tire away from disaster. The choice is genuinely yours. Comment "starting my emergency fund today" if you're committing right now.
Habit number 4, and this one catches almost everybody. People who are never broke avoid something called lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is when your income goes up and your spending magically goes up by the exact same amount. You get a raise, suddenly you need a better apartment. You earn more, suddenly you need a newer phone. You make more, suddenly you need fancier food, fancier clothes, fancier everything. And at the end of every month, no matter how much more you earn, the savings account still shows zero. Bradley got a 30% raise last year, and somehow he is more broke now than before. How? He upgraded everything immediately, and his expenses grew faster than his income. The fix is the lifestyle freeze. Every time your income goes up, freeze your lifestyle exactly where it is and redirect the extra money to savings. Your lifestyle stays the same, your savings grow, and quietly, without drama, you become the person who is never broke. And here we are, habit number 5, the one that separates people who are comfortable from people who are genuinely financially free. People who are never broke do not rely on just one source of income. They build multiple streams, so if one dries up, the others keep flowing. Now, before you say, "But I barely have time for one job," I hear you. Building a second income does not mean working 18 hours a day. It means finding one small thing you can do with 5 to 10 extra hours per week that generates extra money. Freelancing your skills online, selling things you make, teaching something you know, creating digital products once and selling them forever. Digital products are the most powerful option. You create something once and it earns money while you sleep. An ebook, an online course, a template, a guide. Created once, sold thousands of times. Bradley started selling a simple budgeting template for $5 and sold 200 copies in his first month. $1,000 from a template he made in one afternoon. Let that sink in. You do not need to build all 5 income streams at once. Just start building the second one. All right, let's do a super quick recap before Bradley does something financially irresponsible and distracts us all. Habit 1, know exactly where every dollar goes. Track your spending for 1 week, starting today. Habit 2, pay yourself first. Save before you spend, even if it's just $5. Habit 3, build your emergency fund. Start with $500. Protect it like your life depends on it. Habit 4, freeze your lifestyle every time your income grows. Redirect the extra money to savings. Habit 5, build a second income stream, because 1 is the loneliest and most dangerous number in personal finance. These 5 habits will not make you rich overnight, but they will absolutely stop you from being broke. And not being broke, genuinely, is one of the most peaceful feelings in the world. Now, I want to know, which of these 5 habits are you starting today? Comment below and let the FinWise Edge community know. If this video helped you, share it with your most Bradley friend. You know who they are. Subscribe to FinWise Edge, new video every week. And next week, we're going to talk about something that will completely change how you think about money forever.
Bye-bye!